Hello guys, this is I'm a Dog and this is an epic glitch at Snowyclaw's den. I don't really know who she is, but I think she's someone famous. And I'm a dolphin up water. Oh yeah, it's lots of fun. But if you're a land animal, you're invisible. It's awesome. Awesome possum. This is just really cool. I'll show you around. Moon dust, paw print. I forgot what it's called. It's paw print something. Ooh, fire pit. Skip gems, fountain, tiki torch, which you could buy tiki torches though. Ooh, one of those frog things. I think it's candy frog. Blue mat, beta robot, stone chair. I'm pretty sure you can buy those or something. Don't you like Swift? Oh, okay, that's not mine. That's from Epic Wonders. Ooh, Gecko plushie. That's a beta, and that's orange too. Ooh, RC car. Mara album. Well, wait, that's not a Mara album. That's a Mara statue. Now 3 phantom plushies. Ooh, the claw. I really like it. The claw. The claw. Oh yeah, the claw. The claw. Oh yeah, the claw. Didn't get anything. Yeah, you get phantom plushies from this claw. From Claws and Jammer's Den. Okay, sorry, just coughing. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Scarecrow. Well, I'll show you. That's a rocking horse, globe, microscope. That's what that's called. Ooh, there's bandits there. Ooh, this is the beta gumball machine. This is just empty, I can see. Well, that's mostly all, I think. Ooh, there's prison phantoms right here, though. That we cannot see. Deckers swim. Oh, I'm gonna see if my den's glitched. I don't think it is, though. And it's not. Here, watch. Tiger. If you go back to Snowyclaw's den, and you're a tiger. Snow E and Snowyclaw. Except for the snow part. See, actually, there's Snowy and Snowy. Brain fart there. That's what my mom calls them. Da 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 da. See? Look, you're a tiger. You end up being a tiger, which is awesome. But you can't change back to a tiger once you changed. But if you have to go out of snow, you have to go out, then back in as a tiger, or else because watch, tiger. Well, what should I do? Here, look. So change animal. Blooming Arctic gem. Then change back to tiger. Dun 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 dun. Out of Snowyclaw's den. Ta-da! See? Well, see that? Oh yeah. Tigers can just swim around. See, look, there's end up being little splashes there. Okay, James, I'm not kinging. I think he means kidding. I'm making a Bonnie. Well, that's a cool username. Da 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 da. Look here. It's looks all decorated and underwater, and you only can dive and all that, and tiger doesn't work. I'm swimming underwater. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm swimming underwater. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, I'm swimming underwater. I'm swimming underwater. Oh yeah. Somebody's laughing. I don't know why. Why is somebody laughing? Why? Why? Something funny? Or you're just laughing at somebody? Please tell me you aren't laughing at somebody. Please tell me you aren't. I'll find somebody that has a spiked collar on. I mean, like a rare one. But everybody's invisible, so I'm just going to click on random name tags. No, definitely not. Nope. Ah, you're the same person. Huh. Twinkle Snowyclaw. Well, I don't have any of my clothes on, but I have fur. Don't worry. Animals aren't N-A-K. Well, yeah, I have to write it down to spell it. Wow. Not cause, okay. I'm a Pet Star. Don't start talking about how excited I am for getting a lion, not a cheetah. I'm not going to get a cheetah. I'm not trying to change the subject. And why you report and blocked? Oh, you're a scammer. Wow. Wow. Look, the tiger's eyes are closed. Their eyes are closed. Oh, look, their eyes pop out. Their eyes pop out. Here, I'll move with the arrow key. See, look, their eyes pop out. Their eyes pop out. Their eyes and stripes pop out if you have any stripes. That is just awesome. I'm gonna see if I can go to Julian Tucson. Oh, I can't. It's always full. Always full. Huh. Oh, someone's recording too? Awesome. Hello. Was your tiger how? First, you get out of this den. Then, oh, where are you? Who's asking me? Who's asking me? Who asked me? Then change to a tiger. Yeah, I can't type right tonight. Tiger, then come back to snowy claws. Then come back. Okay, I can't type snowy claw. There's no more room. It's invisible. We're underwater. Oh, we're probably just on the moon, actually. We're probably just on the moon. Okay, I can't stand it anymore. I'm changing my animal to my dolphin. The same thing happened to Wootmoo? Oh, awesome. Is his den unlocked? Please tell me his den's unlocked. Oh no, he's a non-member now. Uh-oh. I'm gonna see his den. Oh, it's full, of course, just like Julian 2's. Did I say that like, oh, of course, nah, like that? Oh, yay, I'm here. Whoa, I did not mean to press join you. No, I'm not letting you win diagonal. No, I'm not. Not letting you win diagonal. Not letting you win. Not letting you win. Tie game. I don't want you to win. 10 gems. Split the prize. Awesome. What does the fox say? Everybody's saying that's getting old, but for me, it's not. I like what does the fox say. What does the fox say? Ring, ding, 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 ding. Ring, ding, 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 blah, blah, blah. I forgot. Well, I didn't really forget. It's fun. Dog goes, wolf, cat goes, meow, bird goes. Wait. Yeah, I was about to say bird goes squeak. That was a weird laugh. Maybe I'm all witched up from Halloween. It's November 1st. But I was not a witch. But one of my best friends were. I can't tell her name though. She doesn't play Anal Jam, so I can't tell her username. Oh yeah, I remember they called each other Bubbles for a nickname. So awesome, I can call them Bubbles. My party hats, the next rare item Monday rare. They were not a Monday rare. No. I'm gonna ask Raspberry Bow for your party hat. I have to type raspberries though. For your party hat. Whoa. Is that you? Wrong person. Hello. No, did I just click the wrong person? No. Oh, okay, good, I didn't. Hello. This is Woot Moo's den. Woot moo, woot moo, woot moo. Whoa, how's he putting computers in his den? I thought that was a member item. Did he just get his membership? No, he didn't. Renewed. I forgot to say renewed. Oh. Oh, awesome! Party hat. I'm trying to get an orange or yellow party hat badly. I badly want one. Raspberry bow. Raspberry bow. For party hat. I'm not offering a raspberry bow because they're the rarest bow and they're worth quite some betas, alright. Well, yeah, there were some betas, and so I'm just trading it for party hat, and everybody's like, no, no, no. I add, then they usually say no, but sometimes I don't really add though, because I just want to trade the party hat. I don't really want to trade anything else. I mean, not trade the party hat, trade the raspberry bow. And I don't really want a pink or purple one because I already have a purple one that I got from a long time ago. Not really long story, so I can tell you, but I don't have much time, so I'm going to talk fast. Well, first of all, I was this horse dancing with a purple rare warren that I didn't even have. I don't think I even had freedom wings back then. And I had purple rare warren on trade, and I said trade me party hat, trade me party hat, trade me party hat multiple times. Then I went to someone's. Then I did the sad face, like the crying face, because nobody would trade me. Then I went to someone's send. Then somebody traded me a purple party hat, and of course I accepted, of course. And yay, I got it. I was like, oh, yay, so happy, or something like that. Something cheerful. Something cheerful. Something cheerful. Well, I said something cheerful. Wait, I was all cheerful. Yay, like yay. Oh, yay, I'm so happy. Something like that. Uh-oh, I think my mom's coming down. Or my dad wants to show me. Wants me to show him Cello Wars. Cello Wars. And you spell cello by... Here, I'll just pull sticky notes out. Oh, dang it, I need to move this over. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now it's on the screen. Spell cello like this. Not like this.